So I had two consecutive losses this trading session and I had to stop trading. I was actually done by 6:41 a.m. Pacific Standard Time since I live in Los Angeles, which is 9:41 a.m. on the East Coast. And it was so hard to quit trading because I was seeing opportunities left and right, but my rule stipulates that if I lose two times in a row, if I have two consecutive losses, I have to stop trading. And it was so hard, but I stopped trading, and I'm glad I did because it's important to follow our rules. And despite having a minor red day today, the week is actually super profitable, and it's a bummer because I was hoping to have five consecutive green days. But you know, we can't win every single day, right? So the first trade was on PCG, Pacific Gas, which is located in the Bay Area, actually, where I'm from. So PCG has been getting beat up on the daily chart. I mean, this thing has been going down. At, in November, this thing was in the high 40s, and as some yeah. Anyway, they're responsible for or accused of being responsible for the fire in the Bay Area, and they may file bankruptcy and this and that. Anyway, the stock was up in the pre-market, so I was looking at it and we opened with a red bar on the 2 minute chart. And then the following 2 minute bar was an engulfing bar. So it means buyers have engulfed sellers. And this is one of my favorite patterns. So when I saw it, I went long. And but it didn't pop up. I was patient, and to be truthful, my heart was pumping because I wanted to end Friday green so bad because this would have been the first time in my trading career thus far that I would have had five consecutive wins in one day, or end the day green every single day, Monday to Friday. I usually have a loss or two per week. So my heart was pumping because I wanted this trade to work so bad, and it didn't. And I once I saw this topping tail, and we were below VWAP, this black line, and as soon as we started to slowly drift, I got out, and good thing I did because after I got out, it just dropped, and now it looks like it's selling off. So that was my first trade on PCG. I'm not, I'm proud of how I managed the trade. I saw my favorite pattern. I got in. It didn't work out, and I kept my losses very small. So I got in at 11:01. I got out at 10:89. So I only lost 11 cents per share, which is not much considering that my winners are usually a buck or $1.50. Yeah. So anyway, the second trade was on BHGE, the same stock that I traded yesterday, which I mismanaged yesterday, and today I had it on my watch list, and I was watching it. And let me go to the chart. So what I saw on PCG was or on a BHGE was the same thing as I saw on on the PCG, I saw the third green bar, which are the buyers, engulfing the red car or the red bar. So, so seeing this, the fact that we were above VWAP, all these moving averages, yesterday's previous closing price, this dotted line, I went long. I bought right here. I bought one lot. And once it started to drop, I got out. And good thing I did because after that, it just kept selling off. And in hindsight, maybe I shouldn't have taken this trade. Why? Because when I got in, these two bars right here. Let's see if I can pull up my digital pen. Um, um, well, let me see if I can get this to work. Yeah, so these two bars ended in a topping tail, which implies selling pressure. There is someone, pushing the stock down. There are sellers, who want to get rid of their shares. And that should have been a signal that I shouldn't have taken this trade. And considering that if I have two losses in a row, I can't trade anymore, I should have been more selective. I should have waited because if I had waited, this would have been a great short opportunity. I mean, there are so many stocks on my watch list, that, are trading pretty well. Um, but what can you do? For example, let me see. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, I should have been more selective with my second trade because if the second trade became a loser, that meant I can't trade anymore, and I literally had to shut down my platform, y'all. I literally had to shut down my platform and walk away. But I was proud with the fact that I walked away despite seeing opportunities on my charts because I cannot trade if I have two consecutive losses. And I stuck to my rules and I'm happy about that. Again, I wish today was a green day so I could so this week could have been green every single day, but that's not how it went down, and it's all good. And Monday, I will be back. Have a great Friday and a great weekend, and thank you for watching.